So I did end up getting mono halfway through this project, so it's been taking me way longer than it should have been. So I was down for about a week, but after a week I made a bigger gate for my fence to pull a truck through. They have pre-built gates that you can add onto your fence, so I just did that, threw a wheel on so it can open and close, and this one is actually detachable, so now I can pull a trailer in and out, get my truck in and out, and just have overall bigger room to park trailers back here. I'm getting rid of these T-posts. This one was way deeper in the ground than I thought it would be, but I ended up cutting it so I won't have to dig a deep hole to put it back. I did pull the T-post out of the ground, and the chain was a little too close to the truck. Accidents happen on these projects, but yeah, that one was a dumb one. So these T-posts will be hammock holders over there, and we're going to repaint them so they look nice and fresh, and that way we have somewhere to hang laundry still, but also to hang a hammock. For this spot, I thought it was perfect for a peach tree. So we're actually going to plant a peach tree here in this corner so we can enjoy some peaches. As you can see, the prep work is super messy. Again, when I got mono, it's taken me way longer than it should have, but we are prepping the ground, getting it level for the gravel. When we get the gravel in here, I'll take the whack-a-packer and pack it all down, and then it's time to lay bricks. Next step I did is level the ground, stake it out, make sure you know your distances for the bricks, and then I'm going to put gravel in the bottom about 2 inches. So I made this about 4 inches deep. Still working on getting it level. Biggest area of complaint, but I got to figure out how to put this on some blocks and match it to my bricks. Gravel. Got the gravel laid all nice and level. Time to lay some sand and then the bricks. Got that all tore out.